All right, today, geometry. This one is 29. It is right there. It's on the corner. Okay, compound shapes area. So that means we're going to have not just a regular shape, but we're going to have a compound shape. What does compound mean? Just shut up. What is a compound word?
Like two words put together.
Okay, what do you think a compound shape would be?
Two shapes put together.
Woo!
You're so smart, Jimmy.
I know, right?
You told me shut up.
Huh? No, because what'd you say?
Yo,
Yeah, yeah. For the recording, so I can play it back for your mom later. Okay.
Bet. Oh. She'll say I'm fun first and then say smart.
Jamie, shut up.
He has it on video.
Close your filthy mouth. Right there.
Okay, thank you.
Where's my button?
All right. Okay. Compound shapes. Compound shapes will not necessarily use a box method, but it will work. Sometimes it's easier to take whole shape and break it into smaller shapes that we're familiar with and find the area of smaller shapes. Once the whole shape has been broken into smaller shapes and the areas are found, just add up the areas of the whole. So now, step one. Since this is going to be a compound shape, let's go through. And this is kind of like to connect the dots thing. So let's go through and put our dots on our graph and so we can connect it. So -2, 7. We have +2, 7. 2, 3. 8, 3. 10, -3. -6, -3. And -2, -3. Oh, -2, +3, sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and just trace this out. There we go. Your shape should look like that. And that's what yours has, right? Yeah. Sorry, you guys, it's really dark. If you guys want to use your cell phone flashlight, just grab the box, grab one of those boxes back there and set it up on top of that. No, just grab one of the boxes up there and like set it on there so you can use it like a lamp. I'm kind of recording a video right now. Does everyone have the shape down?
No.
Okay, listen up. Yeah. Listen up. Okay, let's start going over this now. So, I'm going to go through and box it. I'm going to cut it up into different pieces. So one way of doing this would be to box the whole thing, kind of like we did before, and then subtract the pieces that are not part of it. But this time, I'm going to box it, and I'm going to turn into 2 different shapes. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to call this one right here shape 1. I'm going to call this one right here shape 2. Alright, are you guys that far?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the shape of 1?
Square.
Square.
Looks like a square, it could be a square, let's see. So, area for 1. So, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, which gives me, and what am I missing there?
You're dividing by
Unit squared, right? Okay. Now, number 2. What shape is number 2? A trapezoid. It is a trapezoid, right?
Yeah.
So my area would be, let's count it off, right? So it's the top. So let's see what the top is. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Why is it A?
That's area. So it's 10 plus. What is the B2 on this one? Count it.
6. Wait, going up?
No, that's the height. I want B2. 16?
Oh, yeah.
Remember, it's down here. It's all the way across here, right?
Yeah.
That's going to be 16 times, what's the height?
6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And all that there is divided by 2. Okay, do the math, please. Please do the math.
Sure, Richard.
78. 58.
53.
40.
26 times 6 is 156. Divided by 2 is 78.
Yeah.
78.
Okay, now, what's the next step do I do? Add them together, right? Look, steps are right there. I need to add those together. Add up the smaller areas to find the whole. So it's going to be 16 plus 78. I get what?
94.
94 units squared. Not bad, right? Does this seem pretty easy still? Just the act of actually putting it together. Alright, let's take a look at number 2 now. So, let's go through and plot our points. We have -7, 4. We have 4, 4. We have 4, 1. 9, 1. 9, -1. 1, -1. 1, -7. -5, -7. -5, +1, -7, +1. All right, let's go through and connect.
What?
Yeah.
All right, so now, hopefully you guys got pencils for this. I want you guys, right now, I want you guys to cut it into your pieces. What are the pieces that you're going to find, and how many are you going to use? I want you guys to start that now.
Yikes.
All right, you guys. This is what I got here. I went through and I turned it into 3.
I turned it into 4. I got 4.
Hey, it doesn't matter how many you turn it into, but as long as you get the same thing.
I did.
You can cut it up. Hey, if you really want to, you can cut this up into 97 individual squares.
Oh, you can.
Oh yeah, because it's 97 squares. Because it's 97 squares.
You're so smart, Caesar.
Shut up.
In Russian.
All right, you guys. Hey, is everyone good on this? Yeah, this is actually pretty easy, isn't it? So look, we got a couple of these. You have 4 more over here on your practice. So, remember I have a dream?
No,
Yeah.
You guys, no one to take anything home and do it.
It's my favorite speech.